Hi, boys and girls. Hey, guys, are you ready for a new unit in math? Remember, I told you that we're done with time, so now we're starting a new unit. This first part is on addition, and then the next part of it is going to be on subtraction. So it's all about adding today. And the first thing that we're going to do is also review our counting chart. Remember that we have this chart in our classroom, and we're used to seeing this. So I know that you will remember once you see this chart. So here I go. I'm going to share my screen with you, and hopefully this technology, we're going to get this going and it's going to show up right away. So here we go. And I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. And we're going to see this right here. Do you remember this? I know you do. So we're going to count from 1 to 100 like we always do. And then we're going to skip count by twos. And then tomorrow we will skip count by fives and by tens. So just follow along with me. Are you ready? All righty. Now remember, you can exercise to this or you can stay and you can count along with me. Either way you want, just please make sure you follow along and count. All right, here we go. We're going to count by ones all the way to 100. Ready? Let me bring this over here. And here we go. We're going to start with the first row. Remember, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So each row is rows of 10. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Keep going. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Half of 100 equals 50, right? So you are halfway done. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Are you bringing your legs all the way up? 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Got it? 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Did you count with me? I hope you did. Now remember, use this chart over and over and count with me. All right? So you can pause it, go back and count again, or wait until this lesson is completely over and then rewind it. All right? I hope you had fun. Now we're going to skip count by twos. Ready? You're going to notice a pattern after we're done. We're going to start by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98, 100. Now, boys and girls, did you notice a pattern with this? Did you notice that the columns were one column is red, one column is in green now, one column is in red, and the other one is in green. Do you notice that? So what happens is that there's a pattern going on, right? There's a pattern that goes on because when you're counting by twos, all of the column on this row here, on this column here, is ends in twos. All of this column ends in fours. All of this ends in six, and these numbers end in eight, and the last column end in zeros. So that is the pattern that we see when we're skip counting by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. And so you can rewind and count again with your mom and dad. All right? Remember, we used to do this all the time with our videos. I miss that, boys and girls. Maybe mommy can find you one. All right? Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do our paper. So if you have your paper that you need, which is called Act It Out, you could go and grab that. You want to put my video on pause, you can, or you can, maybe you have it already with you. All right, so this is called Act It Out. And like I said today, it's all about just adding. So we're putting two things together to make a bigger number, right? So for example, let me bring this over here to the side. If we have two green blocks, see that? And we add one red block like this, how many do you have all together? Well, that means that it's 2 plus 1 equals how many? 3. So anything that's over here after the equal sign is going to be bigger than 2 and bigger than 1. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Let me give you another example. We'll give the orange ones. So I have 1, 2, 3 triangles. So 3 triangles, right? Then I'm going to have, 2 circles. So let's see, 2 circles. So 3 triangles plus 2 circles. How many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So altogether is 5. You see that? So we're going to do the same thing on our paper. On the left side, we have to find how many children, right? How many children are in each of those rows. So the top one, number 1, we're going to start off by looking at the little girls that are, boys and girls, that are going to be, that they're petting the little donkeys. Do you see that? One little girl is wearing a purple sweater and she's petting a white donkey. So beautiful and fluffy, right? 1 plus 2. You see on this side, this is one little girl, and over here there are 2 children. So 1 plus 2 equals how many, boys and girls? How many does it equal altogether? Well, did you say 3? You're right. 1 little girl plus 2 more children, right? That altogether is 3. Now let's go to the middle. It says 2. Oh, look how beautiful those little cute baby, what are they, goats? And what are they called when they're babies? They're called kids, right? Just like you. And the little girl's holding one and the little boy's holding another. So it's 1 over here plus and 1 equals how many altogether? Is 1 plus 1 3? No. 1 plus 1 equals 2, right? 1 plus 1 equals 2, right? And now we're going to go to the top. The bottom, excuse me. We're going to see it. Let's see. Oh, look how pretty the horses are. I like horses a lot. Do you? And so this little boy that's wearing that striped shirt, he looks like he might be feeding that black and white horse. That's one horse, one child, right? One child plus how many children are there on the right side with the brown horse? Two girls, right? So 1 plus 2, that's 1, 2, 3. All together is 3. Did you get that, boys and girls? Yay! I knew you would. So now what we're going to do is we're going to flippity floppity. Remember what we do? Flippity floppity. So I'm going to bring this up, and here it is right here. This is the back of the paper. And so this one is talking about the they're more farm animals, but they want you to do two things, just like in the front. They want you to count how many animals in all means what they equal, and then they want you to circle the number, just like in the front. So let's see how many bunnies there are on the left side. There are two bunnies here, and there are two bunnies over here. So two, right? Two and two more equals how many? One, two, three, four. Oh, four. Did you get that? I knew you would. Now let's go to the middle. Let's go to number 2. Look at the little lamb. How many lambs are there? One lamb, and how many of the other animals? I think they're antelope. I'm not sure, but they look like there's two baby and one big mama. So one and three more. One, two, three is how many altogether? One, two, three, four. Did you get that? Are you following me so far? Right? Now we're going to go to the last one on the bottom. Look how many chickies just hatched. On the left side, there are two. See, two here? So cute. So there are two little chickies here on this side, and there are how many here? One, two, three. Do you see three? I see three also. One, two, three. So how many all together? One, two, three, four, five. Here's number 5. Did you understand? I hope you understood. We're going to learn more about adding tomorrow and the next day too. So you can bring your Legos so we can use those tomorrow to count with, or you can bring your other connecting cubes or whatever you want to use as little counters. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and we will see you tomorrow. Don't forget, get on IXL. You have to practice. All right. Love you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.